someone playing like bongos somewhere?
It's the sink.
Sing of the bongos.
Yeah, eat me when I come, baby. Hi, I'm Purnell here at Gozney HQ, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cheesy garlic bread pizza on steroids using everybody's favourite squeaky cheese, halloumi. Right, to start off, what we're going to do is prep our garlic. So I've just taken a whole bulb, taken the top off, going to drop it into some tin foil, and then we're going to hit it with a little bit of rapeseed oil, wrap up our garlic bulb in the foil. I'm going to pop it into the mouth of the oven. Now this oven's just been turned on, so it's a good time to do it. It's going to take 20 minutes, half an hour. We just want it to all start to caramelize, and we're going to squeeze it out and make our garlic butter. Let's had that about 20 minutes now, so we're going to take it out. Just let it cool down so that I can handle it. Just going to open it up, and inside you'll see we've got this beautiful caramelized bulb. That is absolute gold. What we're going to do now, just going to give that a squeeze. You're going to see that all of those lovely cloves, and you get a little bit of char in there. It all adds to the character and the flavor. Call it dirty garlic. Get that straight into the bowl. Get rid of the outer bit. It's done its job. Okay, so now we're going to add 100 grams of softened salted butter and some chopped parsley and a little bit of thyme too. I'm just going to mix all of that together, getting all the parsley in, making sure that we fully break down that roasted garlic puree into the butter. Okay, now I'm going to take my dough. For a good dough recipe, go to Gozney.com. I'm just going to stretch this out very carefully and try and get it nice and thin. Okay, now take our garlic butter and put very generous amounts of this. Okay, we're not on diets here. This is like heart attack food, but goddamn is it good. Now we go for cheese, and some more cheese. So we're going cheddar, mozzarella, and the star of the show, some thinly sliced halloumi. You want to see how this stuff crisps up in that Roccbox. It's insane. Make sure you put it so that everybody gets a little bit. Don't be shy, get it on there. We'll get it straight in the oven. Just going to lightly flour the peel to stop it from sticking, get it underneath there, and straight into the Roccbox. Just going to keep spinning it round so that we get a nice golden crust. And then to finish that cheese, I'm going to get the peel underneath it and lift it right up. And there we have our super simple, crazy delicious, cheesy garlic bread with halloumi. Go to Gozney.com for the recipe. Give it a go. Crazy good. It's going to be topped with everybody's favourite squeaky cheese, halloumi. I'll up at the end.